You can make this restaurant quality pad thai at home in just 30 minutes. All you'll need is Quốc Việt Foods pad thai stir-fried noodle base. Keep watching to learn. First, heat up some oil in a pan and start sauteing some aromatic ingredients together. We're gonna add half a sliced onion, half a bulb of garlic minced. Saute the onions and garlic for 5 minutes or until they're golden and browned. And 1 whole shredded carrot for some color. Slice up half a pound of chicken breast and add it to the sauteed vegetables. Cook the chicken on high heat for 7 minutes. To make the pad thai sauce, combine 7 tablespoons of the pad thai stir-fry noodle base with 1 cup water. Pour the sauce over the chicken. 1 10-ounce jar can make 4 servings. Today, we're only making 1/4 of the jar, or 7 tablespoons. Next, add half a pound of clean and deveined shrimp. Add some more pad thai sauce and cook on high for an extra 5 minutes. Lastly, add a half pound of fried tofu and cook for another 5 minutes. Now add 1 bag or 1 pound of fresh pad thai noodles from Quốc Việt Foods. These thick rice noodles are perfect for this dish. Now drizzle the remaining pad thai sauce over the noodles. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or whatever your preference is. At this point, the noodles should be al dente and not yet cooked all the way through. Now add an egg straight to the pan and scramble it before mixing it in with the noodles. Now we're going to garnish with some colorful greens. Take a handful of chives and green onions and add them to your pad thai. Shut off the heat completely and add 1 pound of clean bean sprouts. Combine well. Feel free to add more seasoning to adjust to taste. It's completely up to your preference. Lastly, garnish with some roasted peanuts and some limes, and there you have it. 30-minute pad thai made in the comfort of your own home using Quốc Việt Foods pad thai stir-fry noodle base. Enjoy!